Hi everyone, welcome back to the Altium Develop series. So in this video, I will walk through how an electrical engineer can use Altium Develop to collaborate with mechanical designers and system engineers, even with zero MCAD or harness experience. So let's get started. First, open the MCAD software. I have opened the SolidWorks as I am using it. So let's log into this using Altium Code Designer plugin as we discussed in our previous video. So you can sign in with your Google as well. Click on the Google option and it will move you to the sign in page, and it will take some time and authorization completed. This window can be closed now. So you are signed in to the workspace. Your MCAD designer is signed into the workspace on which ECAD designer is working on. So the last message you can see is it's automatically pushed the changes to the design. So here is the 3D view. I am refreshing the page. Let's wait a second. We will see that how can we add a mechanical body around it. We will take a simple mechanical body just to get an idea how can we send the PCB with mechanical body to the mechanical designer so he can add the mounting holes on the mechanical body with the PCB. So let's open the PCB to Altium Designer Develop. Click on the open project in Altium Designer Develop and it will be opened in Altium Develop. And here is the PCB view, and we will see by adding the mechanical body. We don't need to design the mechanical body for the specific. It's the task of the mechanical engineer or mechanical designer. So in this example we will just importing adding a 3D body, going to the location of the 3D body, and then place for the mounting hole. So mechanical engineer, mechanical designer can add the mounting hole. So as you can see, it's not correctly placed body. So I am selecting the mechanical body and adding some height so we can adjust the PCB over it. And here you can see there is no component below, so all the PCB is above it, and mechanical engineer can also see if anything is wrong, and if he can message on the Altium MCAD code designer. So we will see what's wrong over here. So here I have highlighted 3 mounting holes. So and I will send this to the MCAD designer with the message by saving it to the server. Click OK, and it's pushing the updated design to the workspace. So mechanical designer will be aligned. So let's wait and refresh the page, and you will see the mechanical body will be added. So here you can see it's added now. So let's wait, it's fitted on the boundaries, and if not, the designer will extend the boundaries and will match it to the requirements of the PCB. So I will send this PCB with the body, mechanical body, to the mechanical designer, so he will make the 3 mounting holes as I mentioned on the PCB. So let's send it to the mechanical designer. So let's go back to the Altium Designer software. Altium Designer Develop software, and open the MCAD, and here you can see the pull from the ECAD and push to the MCAD. Sorry. Let's click on the push to MCAD option and write your comment over here that will be you want to send to the MCAD designer. I'm writing, please add 3 mounting holes. Please add 3 mounting holes as highlighted position. So let's click on the send, and it is sending to the MCAD designer and pushing design. Let's wait a second, and it's pushed now. So when you open the when the MCAD designer open the software like a SolidWorks, he will see the message, and here you can see the message is displayed. Altium code designer, new changes detected, and with the message, please add 3 mounting holes. I am pulling the message, pulling the changes from the ECAD, and here you can see the document should be saved, so I am saving it. So in this way, the message will be displayed over here, and it will take some time to pull the changes from the ECAD, and the designer can extract, and the MCAD designer will make the mounting holes on the mechanical body and send it back to the ECAD designer. So it was a short hierarchy of the design, how the ECAD designer will use the mechanical bodies and places the PCB over the mechanical body, and and send to the designer so he can make the mounting holes or change the PCB dimensions or this. And you don't need any MCAD or harness experience. If you want to share the design to someone else who is not in the workspace, so how can we do this? Just add the comment and check the share checkbox. Let me write the comment, add mounting holes at the highlighted positions, and check the share option and send. Click on send, and it will ask you to enter the Gmail address so the designer can be added to the workspace and he can make the changes in the design. So let me add the email address and send it. Let me write it down. So now it's written, and click on the share, and you will see the checkbox. Let's wait. Now invitation was sent successfully. So in this way the invitation is sent. So the mechanical body is not added with the PCB design because I did not extract the changes from the ECAD. So it will extract it will extract the changes from the ECAD. Then we will have a mechanical body with the PCB. So that's all for today's video. See you in the next video. Follow us for the upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.